Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can enable or turn on the camera on Google Chrome, for instance, if a specific websites you're visiting, I don't know, like Canva, for instance, needs access to your camera. For instance, if you'd like to record, for example, something through your built-in camera device. So this is how you can do it through Google Chrome. What you want to do is head over to Google Chrome and access your browser settings by clicking into these three dots here in the top right. After that, click into settings here, and inside your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security, click into site settings, and here under permissions, guys, click into camera. And here you will see a list of all applications and websites here on Chrome. You have already given access to your camera or allowed to use your camera. You will see also the selected camera here. And above you will see also a list of websites you haven't or not allowed access or allowed to use your camera on Chrome. So you may delete these entries by clicking into these trash icons here if you like, or simply set a a default behavior here for any websites you visit on Google Chrome, and for example, give them the permission to ask you to use your camera. It's not the same as using your camera, guys, because every time you visit a new website for the first time and you have this feature here enabled, the given website will be given the opportunity to ask you for permission to ask you to use your camera. And only if you give them the permission, you will see a popping up window here in the top left corner asking you for permission. If you'd like to give the permission, only then you will give the permission and the given site will be permitted to use your camera. Of course, guys, you can simply select don't allow sites to use your camera, and that is going to not give these websites the opportunity to ask you for permission at all. So that's a default behavior or default rule you may set here. So I will leave that this so that these websites may ask me for permission every time I visit them for the first time. And as previously mentioned, guys, you can anytime revoke these permissions by simply clicking or by removing that entry from that list here of allowed websites to use your camera. So guys, that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.